So, Jamaica has a prime minister who remains under investigation for the serious corruption offense of illicit enrichment, and whose annual statutory declarations for 2021 onwards still cannot be certified by the country's Integrity Commission as required by law. The Prime Minister must step aside now.
Start packing, because you are going.
Track them down and trick them and make the Jamaican them with a friend who's weird herb in an intentional sex with them, to give them AIDS and then get close to them and give my 2 kids them AIDS and map me about it every single day, and then probably I walk around and don't even know them have AIDS on the cover the whole day of my family.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Tea Time with Tea. In today's video we will take a look at Andrew Holness claims with the PNP and his statutory deductions and a whole bag of back and forth. PNP said he should pack his bags. There even was a bomb threat the other night. We have to get into everything. So before we do that, if this is your first time on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest updates. Also, I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video. Let us get into these clips. If you've been living under a rock for some days, there has been some discrepancies about Prime Minister Andrew Holness and his many different accounts in different companies and that were not claimed. And now he was saying that he didn't know that there was an investigation. However, the PNP has done their investigation and now there's a back and forth about defamation and claims that were not made and one bag of something. But I'm going to play you a clip from I'm going to play you this scene from what was played earlier today, and then I'm going to give you the PNP side of it and you tell me what you think.
For months, and I sat down and I looked at the dates. For months we were at that point where we said nobody knew if they were being investigated. The Integrity Commission didn't send a letter. I don't know. Nobody has said anything to me. When you look at this report, the initial communication was September 30, 2022. Regarding the omissions in the 2021 statutory declaration. There were follow-up requests to provide additional information and corrections. February 23, 2023, March 6, 2023, March 12, 2023, April 4, 2023. He was interviewed on January 12, 2023. Further meetings and interviews were had, and a significant meeting was had on the 31st of August, 2023. A letter was sent on May 5th, 2023. I'm going to make sure I write them down because we don't want to make no error. A letter was sent on May 5th, 2023 informing him of the referral received for investigations regarding his 2021 statutory declarations, and the referral raised concerns about potential illicit enrichment and other issues. So here is the problem. Even if we're not concerned about the veracity, the truth in these documents, I am concerned that my leader, Dr. Andrew Holness, did not tell me as a voter, as an individual, as a citizen, that he knew that he was being questioned. All this time we were operating under the pretext that this was a dopey thing. Nobody know nothing about it. Now, when you look at this report, and this is when you want to ask for facts, if you don't think the money is important, the honesty, the truth is important, because you made me feel that nothing ever goes so. And if you have interviews, you have emails, you have meetings, and a one-on-one thing. One of the meetings were held at his office. So tell me, Dion as a Jamaican, even if I don't believe that the Barita people them said the thing right or the bond thing not right and I adequately earned my money, why would you not tell me that you knew that you were being questioned?
So the PNP party is requesting answers. They want answers for the funds that were not declared, and they're basically indirectly calling Andrew a thief, you know, allegedly. But this is what Mark Golding had to say regarding Andrew Holness's declaration. Check this out.
So, Jamaica has a prime minister who remains under investigation for the serious corruption offense of illicit enrichment, and whose annual statutory declarations for 2021 onwards still cannot be certified by the country's Integrity Commission as required by law. This is a serious blot on the country's image, both locally and internationally. It is untenable for our Prime Minister not to be in good standing with the country's Integrity Commission. We cannot go on like this. The Prime Minister must step aside now or call fresh elections so that the people have the chance to elect a new government that can take our country out of this mess.
And my advice to Mr. Holness is a simple one. I made some inquiries and I'm told that he has a bag. I say to him, start packing because you are going. And if you don't believe me, speak to Mr. Golden, Bruce, that is. Pack your bags, put in your clothes and your belongings, because you can't stay as Prime Minister of Jamaica, because the international reputation of Jamaica is important, and you have, by allowing these allegations, brought Jamaica into disrepute.
Tell me what you guys think about that in the comment section. Do you think they're lying on Mr. Andrew Holness? Do you think that he should come down? Do you think that none of the parties care about Jamaica? They're just all fighting over one throne, and really the richer get richer? Do you think the PNP would do a better job? Do you think that Andrew is doing the best job? You leave your thoughts below. So I came across this video the other day of this man threatening to unalive Vybz Kartel, claiming that Vybz Kartel disappeared his family. Now he's back on the internet claiming that Vybz Kartel allegedly gave his young daughters HIV. I don't know, some people are saying he's crazy, and because his words are all over the place, you know, not saying anybody's innocent or guilty. But first he said that Cartel is controlling the king, the queen, the king, walla England. Cartel not have them the kind of power there. Then he starts saying JN having money, then he say Cartel having money. His words are just all over the place. But don't take my word. Check out what he said regarding the HIV claims. Please take this with a grain of salt.
You blackmail all the staff them and bribe them for keep me up on the streets. Same thing you do with Brent Council. You broke in my house and I'm for move, or you blackmail all the staff them for not house me. And tell them I'm blackmail them secretly for process for cancel my housing application. So I'm stay up on road. And while in the cancel all my housing application them cause I'm blackmail the staff them I deal with the case to keep me up on the road. When I take my money at Jamaica keep me poor. From me there, England take me go bow down. Me not bow down to your Vybz Kartel, not me gonna kill you, you're for dead. And the government of England for kill you, because you act the whole country. The whole country right from long time, you act it from within COVID with the whole pandemic and the whole scamming. And your team do it. And that's how you win the appeal and make England approve your appeal. Because you blackmail all of the people them with approve your appeal. Every single person in England will approve Vybz Kartel appeal, them get blackmail and take money. The whole Vybz Kartel court is rigged. And when I do it, I poison me off a 14 effort court. And I kill off my family, I put poison in a jump, and AIDS in a jump. Because in final, him and him friend them have AIDS. And him never, when him thinks they never come from jail, he might give everybody AIDS. Because he never knows him that come out the other day upon the appeal. See, the whole like Rick Vybz Kartel, you know me there every day. You follow me up and down with your friend. You start me up and down the whole of Central London. Yellow pie, the one them have AIDS. I put AIDS in a people food. You give, you gonna send your friend them forget. Kids AIDS, Tiana Johnson, Flat 2 Electric House, NW10, Alicia Walker, Tiana Johnson, and Naisha Walker. You give them AIDS. Just to spite me. And use Wayne and Intent, who are the musician. We're signed to your group secretly. For track down Katie Sawyer. We used to work on Mark Spencer, who probably turned a police officer, and her sister Joe Sawyer and Leslie Sawyer, and track them down and trick them and make the Jamaican them with a friend who's Wayne Irving and intends to have sex with them, to give them AIDS and then get close to them and give my 2 kids them AIDS and mock me about it every single day. And then probably I walk around and don't even know them have AIDS. And I cover the whole death of my family. Look over the whole letter of my family at 25 Tavern Christian Kingston 6. And I wait on the chance of find to kidnap me. So they can cover the rest. They can't get away with that Vybz Kartel. Jamaica National and Andrew Olin. Me know Vybz Kartel blackmail you and threaten you and force money upon you and you gotta pay for everything what happened to my family. You should have go to the bank and tell the bank say free up all of my money and put in on my Halifax bank account. But because the bank people them are your friend and your family, you ignore Andrew Olin, say you're corrupt, are you afraid of Vybz Kartel, are your government say is controlled by Vybz Kartel and they control the whole of the policeman with him and his gunman friend. I threaten them. I threaten them in their mind and I threaten them every day.
Woo, that was an earful. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. As usual, before I go, make sure you subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here so you don't miss out on the latest updates. I really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, leave a comment and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.